Hello, everyone. Steve Harp with OMES. I'm your director with a beard. I'm growing one out while we're working from home, teleworking, as I am today from Broken Arrow. I've been in Oklahoma City the last 3 weeks, and we're going to try to do this from VA this week to continue to drive the change that we need. We're a servant organization, and by that definition, I want to give you an update on what our people are doing to help Oklahomans. OESC, obviously, unemployment is a big thing right now during COVID-19, and we're helping in 3 ways. We're the behind-the-scenes group that's making sure we get more than 100 agents to the call center now, going to 500 by the end of next week. At the same time, we're also working on the website experience, and that's going to be completely redone. That we expect that within the next 2 weeks, and then faster than that, the actual application that a lot of people are using at OESC under the covers that makes a lot of this magic happen is being redone, and that'll be done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. All this is in hopes of making it a better experience, take on more volume, be able to support Oklahomans during this very difficult time. We've been providing a lot of help for the health department in terms of their call centers. We got them on the States in Contact platform. We were able to help them structure their queues and structure call center metrics so they can have better views into the traffic that they're taking on. PPE, OMES is assigned 2 people actually to help Gino in terms of not just the logistics of tracking this information, but also be able to display it graphically so that people can digest all that work. DHS support, it's really cool with DHS. We actually were able to do a software upgrade last week on nearly 8,300 machines and workstations to help DHS child welfare services. It's a pretty big task in a very, very short frame, and it's been super cool. We've had a lot of work also being done around COVID-19 spending and tracking, and Lynn Badgema, our state comptroller, has been working the majority of that. I want to give a big shout out to Dana Webb for all of her work with our central purchasing group, as well as Dan Savard. I think of all the amazing things that we've done to speed up our processes so that we can help Gino get the PPE, for example, that he needs. Because in that game, if you wait too long, you're last in line. If you're last in line, it takes a lot longer to get critical materials that people need. Additionally, I want to reach out to Dan Ross. Dan Ross and our CAM group have been doing amazing work. And right now, we've got people in trucks that are going up to pick up materials that we buy from the federal government and from other agencies, which we are the outreach of that for OEM. And that's just one piece of it. They're cleaning the buildings. They're keeping our buildings safe. And as we've had events happen in the Capitol and other places, Dan's group has been there as an extension of OEM or as an extension of medical services, for example, to clean the buildings, to make sure it's safe for everyone that is still going in. I will say, I'll leave you with this. OMES currently right now is 98% telework. That's if you take CAM out. If you put CAM back in, we're about 87%, which is a really good number, especially when you consider we're around 1,100 people. We've been steadily improving our VPN capability. We still have a backlog on laptops though, and as those machines come in, Jerry Moore's team is the one that's putting all that together and getting it out for folks. So I hope this has been informative to you. Next week we'll get back to the pretty infographics and more visual aids for you. But I want you to know that we're all in this together, and we're definitely here supporting Oklahoma in their time of need. We'll see you soon. Take care.